Hi friends, today I wanted to do a video so that we could practice our lowercase letter writing. So I'm going to start with small letters. So we know the small letters are the letters that fit in between the midline and the baseline. We also have tall letters that use up from the headline all the way down to the baseline. And we also have letters that fall, which will start where the small letters begin but end underneath our baseline. So we're going to start with small letters, and we're only going to do half of them today. So it's going to be a four-part series. We're going to do 2 with the small letters, 1 with the tall letters, and 1 with the letters that fall. So I did send to your families this document that has all of the handwriting strokes on it, which you might remember the strokes are when as we write, we say certain words. Okay, so I'm going to use those as we review these letters. Okay, so let's begin. If I find my marker here. Okay, so the first letter we're going to start with will be, let me check my notes here. Okay. A. So let's start with A. It's a small lowercase letter. So we begin, sorry, I want this to keep turning around, at the midline, just not at it, just slightly before it. And we circle back all the way around, push up, pull down straight. See that? One more time. It's hard, I don't want to erase this line. Circle back all the way around, push up, pull down straight. Well, that's A. Okay. The next letter we're going to try is C. You might remember that one because that was kind of a fun one when we did it with the capital and the lowercase. The capital was circled back, right? And remember the lowercase, because it looks just like it, goes like this, starting just before the midline, just like we did with A. Circle back. We use that voice to remind us that it's lowercase and the uppercase look the same. Okay, and I'll do it again here. Again, right before the midline, and circle back. Oh, that wasn't that great, but you get the idea. All right, our next letter is, let's get my notes again, E. Okay, so lowercase e is one of the most different and sometimes the most tricky. And the reason why I say it's the most different is because its starting point is in a different spot. So we're going to move down to this line here. And instead of being close to the midline or on the midline, it is right in between the midline and the baseline, right here. Okay? So for this letter, you're going to slide right and then circle back. It's a little crooked, but slide right, circle back. Making sure you're touching the midline and the baseline. Okay? Our next letter is I. Okay, so I is easy. It's just to pull down straight, but then we have a dot. Okay, so pull down straight, dot. Pull down straight, dot. Remember, we don't want to make raisins or hearts or stars, just a little dots, good enough. Okay, let's see. Our next letter will be M. Sorry, I thought my camera went off there for a minute. Okay, M. So with M, there's a lot of steps on this one. So there's a lot of words. So I'll do it right here. Ready? Starting right at the midline this time. Pull down straight, push up, curve forward. Pull down straight, push up, curve forward, pull down straight. That's a lot of steps, right? Again, starting at the midline, pull down straight, to the baseline. Push up to the midline. Curve forward, pull down straight. Push up, curve forward, pull down straight. Okay. Next is N. So N is half of M. So you're going to stop when you get to this pull down straight. So pull down straight, push up right along that same line. Curve forward, pull down straight. And again, pull down straight, push up right along that line, curve forward, pull down straight. Notice you start to curve forward right before the midline. And then I'm going to do O. It's going to get a little squishy. O, you're going to start it below the midline and a little bit over to this side because you're going to circle back. You're not circling forward, okay? So you start here. Can you see that? Let me move the camera a teeny bit. Okay. You start here, touch the headline, circle back, touch the baseline all the way around. Again. Circle back all the way around. Okay, that's our first part. We'll do the rest another day. Have fun practicing.